House from the WHO at my end for protecting, promoting and supporting are supported within 1 hour of birth. Thank you so much. With us today.
Feeds, or they start giving some sort of,
I also take this opportunity to welcome during but unfortunately due to many activities our MS madam will
ensuring that the breastfeeding starts within the first hour of birth. So from my side, I would urge all of you that whenever you get a chance to interact with the mothers, with the families, you should always tell them about the benefits of breastfeeding. Because what we see is many times there are so many misconceptions regarding breastfeeding, and especially exclusive breastfeeding, that they start the complementary feeds very soon, they start giving formula feeds, or they start giving some sort of recipes or things recommended by the traditional attendants and the traditional birth attendants. So all those things you have to tell them that they are not to be given, and that for the first 6 months breast milk is the complete food. So this message should always go from your side. And as I have always emphasized, the IIT Bombay project also, regarding which I am always after doctor and all the DPMs and BPMs and all, that is a very good project. Their focus is on breastfeeding, how to teach the mothers, everything is there. So we really need to push that project, and till now we don't have much of master trainers, only 3 or 4, and I would again request all of you to please make sure that our ANMs, our Ashas, they are taking that project very seriously, and whatever they have learnt that time, they are able to tell that to the mothers.